feels so good. Hello beautiful people, it's Yvette Corinne and welcome back to my channel where I talk about fashion, beauty, and life stuff. In today's video, if you saw the title, I am unboxing, styling, and giving you all the tea on the YSL LouLou bag in the size small. So, rewind, I want to give you a little background about why I purchased the bag and everything about that. But this isn't a luxury channel yet, we're speaking to existence. But I do like to dibble and dabble in a little finer things in life. You know, I'm trying to elevate my lifestyle because I really enjoy designer and luxury things. So let's just get straight to the video. All right, so I want to show you guys the bag before anything. She looks like this and she is beautiful and it feels so good. Oh my God. Okay, let me just give y'all, let's just get into it. So about a month ago, actually, I went to Rodeo Drive with my girlfriends. We had like a little shopping day. It was more so of like a celebratory treat yourself. We had been killing it and working super hard for the past couple of years and like treat yourself. So I ended up looking for a black bag because I was gonna go out with my mans and I realized I did not have a nice black bag for a date night. So I saw this bag about a year ago on another girl that I follow on Instagram, and I actually fell in love with it just watching her talk about it and her unboxing and everything. And I was like, am I ready to spend that much money on a handbag? At the time, no. I didn't want it to be my first luxury handbag, so I wanted something that was a little bit more practical and everyday. So that is why I got the Louis Vuitton Neo No Way. So if you want to watch that unboxing and everything about it, I will leave it in the cards above. But that's another story for another day. So I was like, that's a little bit more practical. I have worn that bag out. I love it. It's good. It's a good bag if you need a starter bag. But I need a black. I just need a black. So I decided to get this bag because of everything that it is. So it is a shoulder bag, it is a crossbody bag, and it's also just a long side bag. So it can be basically like 3 bags in one, and I really, really appreciate something that is very versatile and I can get my cost per wear and bang for its buck. So let's just talk about one. It feels amazing. It just feels so nice, and it feels like it's really durable, which I like. It's kind of squishy on the sides, but y'all, it feels so good, and it's not even bulky. I want y'all to see it in action. I want y'all to see how much it holds, and I want y'all to see like how it looks with different outfits. So if you're interested in that, keep on watching. So now you know what I can fit in the bag, and I want you to know that it probably can fit more, but this is just like my everyday essentials. I don't really like to overstuff my handbags because I don't like it to be heavy. This bag is just a good bag. And you see, it wasn't bulky, it didn't look stuffed because it already has that like puffer look on it. So it was just perfect. But one of the things I did want to say before I moved on to how I would style it is it does have that little piece in the middle. I don't know if you can tell from that video, but it does have this zipper in the middle, and I put my wallet in this part and my AirPods because those are 2 things that I don't want to ever lose. Everything else is replaceable, but my AirPods, I don't want to lose them, and my wallet, I for sure don't want to lose that. So I stick that in that part and I just zip it up, and then the rest is just a front slot and a back slot. It does not have a back slot right here. Some of YSL's bags do have that. I know some people prefer like the back slots. I don't really care that much, but it doesn't have that back slot if you're looking for something like that. It's not quote unquote a top handle, but you know, it goes like this, and it does have like YSL around the little circle things and it has Saint Laurent pairs here and like small little details. I just love the details. So the details make me happy and I'm like, yes, bag, yes, I'm paying for the details. I like that the gold is not that shiny. So the gold is kind of like that rusty gold where it doesn't really look cheap. Y'all know what I'm talking about. There's some like gold chains that kind of look cheap. I actually have a Zara bag that has that gold chain. I like it with a lot of my outfits because it's just a big chunky chain, but the gold is very shiny and you can tell that it's cheap. But I like gold like this because it doesn't look cheap and it looks sturdy, if that makes sense. It also matches the gold here. It's not too shiny. It's pretty like dull looking, so I know that it will wear pretty nice because it'll probably just look like this for years to come. So that's the bag, and it has just like a solid bottom like this. It doesn't have feet, but I don't think this bag really needs feet, and that's pretty much it. So I'm going to show you how I would style it, what's one of my favorite outfits that I would wear it with, how I wore it out one night, and then I will show you some casual ways to wear it, and then that's it. Alright friends, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're interested in this bag or if you had any more questions about this bag, let me know in the comments below. I am obsessed with it. It was such a good purchase. Like, y'all don't understand. I didn't think twice about it and I haven't regretted it or anything, which I love. It was just such a good purchase. It's so pretty. It's classic. This bag will last me for a very long time. YSL just really does a good job. Y'all, they say once you buy your first designer bag, it is addictive, and they were not lying. I am addicted. But again, let me know if you like this video, and hopefully it was helpful for you if you're thinking about purchasing this bag. If you want to see more from me, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.